Buying Bitcoin with Chime is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy Bitcoin with Chime. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to buy Bitcoin with Chime, you won't be able to directly buy Bitcoin on Chime because Chime is a banking and it does not allow you to buy or sell cryptocurrency. In order to buy a cryptocurrency, you have to go to any of the crypto exchange which accept, banking withdrawal or banking deposits. So which platform or which Binance exchange we can use. So I'm just going to tell you about Binance. So you can actually go to Binance or any other crypto exchange according to you. There are different crypto exchange. People like Binance is one of the most famous. So you just have to go to Binance or any other crypto exchange and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, you just have to click on deposit, and then in the deposit you have to click on this buy crypto. After clicking on buy crypto, as you can see, you can buy whatever the amount you want. Suppose you want to buy 15 pound worth of USDT, or you want to buy 15 pound worth of Bitcoins. So you can actually buy it, and then you just have to click on this buy button. It is telling me to verify and buy because I have not verified my account, because these crypto exchanges require you to verify your identity completely, which I haven't done. You just have to make sure before buying, you have to do that. Now, after verifying it, you just have to click on this, and there you go. It will want you to verify it. Once it is verified, it will take you to the payment options. The payments can be made through debit or credit card, or you can actually attach your bank account as well, which you will easily be able to do in the case of Shine. So that's very much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.